Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Startups in 60 Seconds series. I'm here with two of the executive members of Blinking. Please introduce yourselves.
I'm Miloš Milovanović, CEO of Blinking.
And Miroslav Minović, the CTO of Blinking.
What does Blinking do?
We are trying to overcome a problem with the ID identification online or on a distance to confirm identification and to identify clients that are on the distance.
Basically, we are coping with the problem of digital ID. So, as we see it, digital ID has many phases, and we focused it in a streamlined process, which is to identify, to verify, and to certify different kind of products in the area of digital identity.
Who do you typically target? Is it multinational organizations? Is it enterprises? Is it local companies or possibly government bodies?
Currently, we are approaching a few different sectors. We are approaching banking sector, medical, and gaming are the three main focuses for now.
There are quite a few identity-related tools out already in the market. And of course, it's a fledgling space. So I can completely appreciate that there's a huge market yet to play for. But what do you believe are your unique selling points? What differentiates you from the competition?
Basically, we believe that our comprehensive approach to how to digitalize someone's identity is something that make a difference. So we see our work as a process rather than one product or few products. We are eager to basically follow the market and help different players in this process of digitalization. So our core values are related to how someone's identity is secured, who is in possession of this sensitive private data, who guarantee for the processes of identification, verification, and actually how to enable someone to be as safe as he is in his current physical interaction with other systems, and on the other side to enable him to prove his identity in different ways in order to enable actually digital services.
When was the company founded?
The company is actually founded in 2017. After a successful MVP launch of our core product, we actually raised the initial amount of investment and started the company.
Were there other members of the founding team that you'd like to mention?
Yeah, there is another part of our team. He's the CEO. He's also a co-founder. He's also Miloš, as I am, Milovanović. And he and Miroslav founded Blinking in 2017.
In terms of raising the initial amounts required to start the company, where did this financing come from? Are you willing to disclose how much money that you've raised in the past to develop the company so far?
Yeah, basically in the first two rounds, it was a kind of a seed. Through few cycles, we reached the amount of almost $1.5 million of investment in the company. And that was basically till the beginning of this year, when we have a next investment round. Then Miloš came into Blinking, and that was our last investment round. Our evaluation in that moment was around 5 million euros.
And are there going to be other large investment rounds in the near future in order to scale the business further?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we started seeking the next investment round immediately. So our expectation is to close the next round in next 8 to 10 months. And of course, we have a clear scaling goals that for which we need to raise the next round.
Are you hiring at this point in time?
Yes, basically today we have a new colleague starting in the office, and during these last few months we hired about 5 people, I think.
5 new employees, yes.
One of the few businesses during COVID that is hiring. That's very good to hear. Are there any specific vacancies or roles that you're looking for at a senior level at this point?
Not at the moment. I think we have a management team set, so we're satisfied with that part of the team.
How do I understand how you are internally benchmarking the business? What are your KPIs? Would you like to share some of these metrics to help us understand the scale and the momentum within the business?
So basically, our KPI for next year or two is to expand to go to EU markets with a few products that we have, and also after that to try to also go to an USA market. That would be our final KPI.
Great, gentlemen from Blinking. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much for your questions.